Well, I'm up here at Best Buy picking up a GoPro. I forgot to record y'all, which I recorded the first part. Came up here, I went to Walmart, got the first one. They ain't had the one I want, so I came up here to Best Buy. And I was waiting on them to call me so I could get my stuff and get up out of here, man. It's not a good, you know what I mean? It really is empty over here. But I'm gonna get my little suction cups right here. Get 2 of these guys. Cause I got 2 GoPros. Yeah. Got a little bag to carry all my stuff in, so I don't need to buy a bag. Oh man, they really don't have a lot, so that's all good. Like, you get what you get. You know? I'm just happy I'm being able to do this right now, because yeah, it was a time I couldn't do none of this. The only thing they don't have is the protection case, and I'll try to get one later on. Just gonna pray over it. Hopefully I can find one somewhere else. But for today, I'm just gonna call it what it is for today. Just get the 2, get the other GoPro, and go from there. Just see what I can protective. I don't know. 8. Yeah, I'll have that. Just gonna get what I can today and call it a day, man. Ain't really so much more you can do. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 3-part, 4-part video. Well, not part. Little clips I'm gonna be putting in here later on today. Anyway, yeah, I'm just see what I can get, and then we'll call it what it is. I found a little case. Trying to make sure it's for the GoPro that I'm picking up. Might not be. Hey, I'm sticking to, as we say, what I can afford. I'm not going outside my means. I don't live outside my boundaries, man. And when I do take a step out, it's a step in faith. When I step outside what I'm doing. But other than that, y'all, I'm about to wait for them to call my name so they can help me. Yeah, so I hit the button by accident. So they can help me get my little GoPro. They got them all. You definitely got them. I'm just waiting. Definitely waiting. It's a waiting game. So, let me see, one of these things they can give me a discount on, because this one was open, so. And they only got these 2. They only got those 2. So I'm about to scoop those real quick and see what else. Definitely need it though. But yeah, I'll be checking back in a little bit, man. Hopefully they'll be calling my name soon. And I'm fresh off of work. Fresh off of work. Okay, making sure I get my stuff. You know, the meet is coming up next Sunday. Yeah, the 28th is meet. So I want to make sure I have all my stuff on the car. All my GoPro stuff. Get the guys together. Well, I'm going to see my guys. See Malcolm, SES, Mr. DB Digging the Scene, Cool Car, KJ. See all them. But then my guys from up here, my car club, people from my club, they gonna pull up. So yeah. But I'm gonna cut y'all off, man. I guess I'm about to walk around a little bit more because I'm waiting. And yeah, man, we just gonna go from there, cause definitely gotta get it. I check back in with y'all. Good old Empress on this windy day. I'm just snack in the car. So I got my stuff. Hold on. Let me go ahead and get in the car. And I can not y'all. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. Alright, so I got all my stuff now. Well, I got everything that I was going to get for now. The building of this brand and this channel. Hey, it's been a journey and a blessing just to be able to do half this stuff, man. But I got my 2.7s, cause I got the silver and got the black. So yeah, man, it's about to get real. Like, it's about to get real, man. I can't believe that. Let's see how this turns out, man. I'm just ready to keep jumping. The channel gonna be jumping soon. I already can tell. Like, it's just a blessing to be able to get to this point. To be able to, like, all right, well, I need this, so let me go buy this since I need it. So yeah, man, like, hard work pays off, man. And everybody know what else I'm working on right now. So if you know me, you watch this channel, you know what big project I'm working on right now. So yeah, something that I'm working on. So did that thing crank up? Anyway, I had to just hear the sound, just enjoy the sounds of Empress. Yeah, but anyway, man, I'm gonna check back in, open everything up at home. I'm gonna get me something to eat before I go home, and then I'll be checking back in with y'all, man. We'll look over these things and get ready to put them to use next week, man. I'll holler, y'all. Close the video out. Got the GoPros. Got them actually charging right now in the house. So I come outside. I wanted to go start the hoe up, and cause you know I had her sitting for a while. This is what I had to do. Hey, but look, I got both my girls sitting here. They top up. It's showing. Like, man, look at this. Oh man, I'm so blessed. So blessed to be able to do this. Be able to have these right now. Hey, it's more on the way. Got a lot more stuff coming in, man. Next week we meet. I had a flight at the end of this. So yeah, I'll let y'all.